And we are back to our ball game. At meron lamang tayo ditong konting technical issue. And there's San Vicente. Karingal, trapping back two. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Still, Jola may hawak ng bola. Jola dribbling the leather and puts it up by Royo. No basket. Ball fight. And we have a jump ball. Same ball position. 56-27 ang ating score. And San Antonio pa rin dito. Pumapabor sa kalamangan. And puts it up again by number 9. Marili for the easy basket. And still, Jola. No basket, but got fouled by number 11, De Gracia. And De Gracia on the leather. Making his own transition pero hindi papasok yung bola doon. Roya secured the ball. And De Gracia matatawagan dito ng foul. 2 minutes and 26 seconds left on this fourth quarter. San Antonio 1, ball possession. Caution. No basket. Umayam attacking on the baseline. No good. Number 9. Pull it for 3. He got for the 3 points. San Antonio possession. There's Jola. Challenging by Umayam. And out of bounds, mapupunta ang bola dito sa kupunan ng San Vicente. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Igot to Pansoy for the long 3. 3 points by Pansoy. Caution. Another steal para sa kupunan ng San Vicente. And here's Pansoy. No basket. San Antonio 1, ball possession. And here's caution for the inbound. There's Jola. Dribbling the leather. Pass it to Caution. Caution. For 2. No good. Igot. To number 12. No basket. Umayam. Puts it up again. By number 12. No basket. Still, for the reverse, 2 points by Umayam. Pansoy matatawagan ng foul. Corsian dribbling the ladder. Still by Igot. And pass it to Pansoy. Pansoy off the glass pero masyadong malakas. Jersey number 14. Umaya matatawagan dito ng foul. Marile on the line. Last 23 seconds. And 1 out of 2 on the free throw line. Garcia dribbling the ladder to Igot for long three. No basket. Royo to Jola. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Last 4 seconds. (60-35). San Antonio 1 wins against San Vicente. And here's our best player of the game, Van Raiden Soner on the San Antonio Uno. And here's the final score, 60-35. At dito nagtatapos ang ating fourth quarter of the game dito sa ating 17 under Interbarangay Champions League. Laban ng Liga, laban ng barangay at laban ng puso.
Modus ay ito ay nalandikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball. Sumabay, hey! Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamakina. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di-wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang G. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang